That's a good length. Sure. Tie it around his leg. Watch him. Okay. There goes the bucking bronco.
A little shorter.
Grandpa, you're gonna get bucked off.
We killed my fault. That's okay.
And we'll have it all on tape for posterity.
Guess I should be doing it someplace softer than this. Bedrock showing here.
Nice breeze. Well, you need to, yeah, there you go. Yay!
Now the hard part here.
How do you untie it from your horse's leg? Get some pictures, Kyler.